A smudging ceremony is when you use the four sacred medicines that you have, and you cleanse yourself.
It's part of our tradition to give thanks, and the smudging part, you smudge your head, your eyes, and your mouth, and your heart, and pray for the negative to be gone.
When you smudge, you can clear your mind of negative energies. You can use it to see good, act good, hear good.
A lot will ask for smudging at a birth, at a death, or just if they're not well, just for prayer.
Not every Indigenous person may want access to smudging. Due to colonization, there are Indigenous people who despise their culture, and there are Indigenous people who only want traditional medicine.
It's getting in touch with my mother's religion and the rest of my family's religion. It's like I saw clouds above my head, and my family's right there in front of me, my mom, my dad, my sister, and it's like they were right in front of me telling me what to do.
But it's important for me as an Indigenous person to be able to know that you can carry on some of your beliefs and traditions in a non-Indigenous society.
I have one patient in particular that comes to mind that I often smudge with, and his spirit just comes alive when we do the smudge, and he talks about, you know, his cultural history that he has been disconnected from, and so it's a way for him to reconnect with cultural roots, with spiritual roots, with ancestral roots.
So having access to smudging is a great first step in healing from the effects of colonization and intergenerational trauma. It's actually part of the calls to action, specifically in healthcare.
Our mission is to provide compassionate, high-quality care for patients. And what I think is important is for us to be taking into consideration that it's about mind, body, as well as spirit.
I think it's important to educate as many non-natives as possible as to our beliefs and tradition for our physical well-being and mental well-being. It's important for people to know and not judge us for our beliefs.